In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Rock Band 4 guitar to Xbox One. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect any Rock Band 4 instrument to an Xbox One console. So first, make sure that your Xbox One is turned on. Now, you can go ahead and open up Rock Band 4 if you want, but the most important thing is that you double check the actual controller or the guitar itself. Make sure that your Rock Band 4 controller that you are trying to synchronize has fresh batteries, so it is sufficiently charged. Next, press and hold the Xbox One button on your instrument. So this is found in the center of your drum kit or next to the D-pad on your guitar. A white light should turn on and start blinking slowly. This means that the controller is waiting to synchronize. Now, press and hold the synchronize button on your Xbox One located to the left of the CD drive and press and hold the small wireless button on your Rock Band 4 controller. For drums, this is going to be a black button found on the bottom left side of the main center brain, and for guitars, it is going to be a white button found where the amp plug would be. You only need to hold down both of these buttons for a maximum of 2 seconds. The white light on your instrument should start blinking quickly. This means that the controller is trying to synchronize with the console, and after a few moments, it is going to return to blinking slowly and then stop blinking altogether. If the light is steady and not blinking, this means that it is now synchronized. So if you had the game open, just go ahead and press any button to start. If your controller continues to blink slowly, repeat step 5 until both of the devices and the console get recognized, and now you will be good to go. If this does not work, double check to see if you included the sufficient needed amount of batteries, and double check the actual controller and the guitar. Make sure that they are working properly and not broken in any way, shape, or form. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Rock Band 4 guitar to Xbox One. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.